You ever stumble upon a place that just makes you think, yeah, not because we know everything about it, but because we really don't? So, tucked away on the Gower Peninsula is this old stone that's been chilling there for about 6,000 years, roughly. That's way before castles popped up, long before kingdoms were a thing, even before some stones arrived at Stonehenge. And this is Arthur's Stone. So apparently someone picked this hill, right? Someone took the time to set these stones, and thousands of years later we're still scratching our heads and thinking why? Why do they do it? What do we naturally do? They filled that silence with stories, and one of those tales turned it into a legend that is King Arthur. And I think it's pretty cool that legends can outlive history.
Hello. No, not